Ever wondered how to keep those pesky pests away from your beautiful garden? Welcome to the world of garden pest management, an essential practice to uphold the health and beauty of your garden. Stay tuned to learn some basic steps to manage pests in your garden. Knowing your enemy is the first step in any battle. In gardening, this means identifying the pests wreaking havoc on your plants. Common culprits can include aphids, slugs, snails, and caterpillars. Once you've identified the pests, you can tailor your approach to deal with them effectively. Nature provides some of the best solutions to pest problems. Beneficial insects, birds, and other creatures can play a significant role in controlling pests. Ladybugs, for instance, are fantastic at keeping aphids in check, while birds like robins can help manage beetle populations. It's all about fostering a balanced ecosystem in your garden where these natural predators can thrive. Remember, the goal is not to eradicate pests completely, but to maintain a balance where they don't harm your plants. Sometimes a stronger approach may be necessary. When faced with severe infestations, chemical pesticides can be a powerful ally, yet they come with a responsibility. It's crucial to use them prudently, always following the instructions on the label. This ensures effective pest control while minimizing harm to our environment. Remember, nature's balance is delicate. We must respect it even when we are compelled to use stronger measures. Chemical pesticides should be your last resort, not your first option. So, you see, managing pests in your garden is not as daunting as it might seem. It's all about recognizing the invaders first, then employing natural control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using homemade sprays. And if all else fails, we can always turn to chemical methods, using them wisely and sparingly. Remember, every garden is unique, and you'll soon find what works best for yours. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!